All right, so we're going to talk to a woman coming up who really means business with infusion therapy. What that's all about, we're in Lenexa, and we'll let you know coming up. You're watching Fox 4 News at 8.
All right, Carrie, thank you. A local nurse is being recognized for her work with her infusion clinic.
She got the Women Who Mean Business Award, and Kathy Quinn is live from the infusion clinic in Lenexa to tell us what that is exactly.
That's what I wanted to know, and she said she loves infusion therapy, and I said, well, Lisa, tell me what that is.
That is where we have nurses go into the home and provide infusion therapy, where it's an intravenous medication. People either have a port, a central line, or a peripheral stick. And we provide them whatever therapy, often it's protein deficiencies therapies in the home setting, as well as here in our infusion suite at our facility.
I like this infusion suite. Let's walk in here because it's comfortable. Come on in, Lisa. It feels like home. It's not cold and, it doesn't feel like a doctor's office.
Right. We want it to be kind of just comfortable and like home, and not a lot of people. Typically, we'll just have one person at a time. We also have in this great facility room to expand. So.
You know what? Infusion therapy, kind of your area here, it's unique.
Yes, it is. It is a specialty area of nursing and pharmacy, so we not only provide the nursing services, but the pharmaceuticals as well.
Very good. And I bet you, Miss Kristen, I know you said your son, he has to come here, or even they come to the home. What does this mean for your family to have this here in Lenexa?
It's just great, and having the ARJ nurses be able to come to our home and infuse our son's factor is just great, and not having to go to the hospital or go to the emergency room to get that therapy when he has a bleed.
Okay, so he has?
So he has hemophilia, which is a rare bleeding disorder.
And so did your father, but at the time of your father, they didn't have places like this.
Yeah, correct. I mean, when my father would have a bleed when he was younger, he'd have to go to the emergency room and spend hours getting an infusion. And now kids like my son's age can just have a nurse come to their home and learn to infuse their medication as well. The nurses can teach us to do that.
Miss Lisa's a woman who means business. All right. Coming up next hour, we'll take a look at the pharmacy part of the suite here and the clinic. Kathy Quinn, Fox 4 News, working for you.
All right, Kathy, thank you.
Well, a local nurse is awarded a Women Who Mean Business Award. It's for her work with her infusion company.
Our Kathy Quinn joins us live from ARJ Infusion with details. Kathy?
I think what's kind of cool about that, first of all, ARJ stands for your son's names.
Yes. Andy, Robert, Jimmy. It was like to leave a legacy, but professionally it means it's part of our value system here, that we're accountable, reliable, joint partnership. We join in partnership with physicians to achieve treatment goals for our patients. So
you've got about 400 patients you mentioned who have these. Explain what they have.
Chronic genetic disorders. So their treatment is lifelong. So we see them once a week, every 3 weeks. We may even see them every day.
And this is, I can tell your passion in this company. You're a nurse. You love helping people, and you've been doing it. In fact, guys, she has been ranked by her patients in the top 10% that they love you. I'll just put it that way. They love you. And they love you, too, because you are able to provide them with the pharmaceuticals that they need here, like this mama, we talked to her last hour. So just kind of explain, it's easy for the patients?
Sure. So here at ARJ, we do it a little different. We provide kits to ensure the patients have an easy way to get their medication infused. We try and take care of them before it leaves here, so there's no question they can do it as easy as possible, and ensure patient satisfaction is what we want.
Very good. Okay, so Lisa was a woman who means business, and this mama means business. She's got a son who's got one of those chronic diseases, but this place means a life-changing time for you.
Oh yes, especially ARJ providing the kits and providing the nursing makes our life with hemophilia much easier.
All right, very, very good. All right, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so very much, and I love that family with the ARJ. Kathy Quinn, Fox 4 News, a woman who means business. I mean business. Kim means business too, don't we?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Give her a pat on the back from us. Thank you, Kathy.
I will.